Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep, really deep, into a world that feels more like a fantasy novel than our own planet. Forget what you think you know about the ocean, because we're about to explore an aquatic dreamland. A realm teeming with creatures so bizarre, so beautiful, and so otherworldly, they'll make you question reality. Our journey begins in the sunlit shallows, the cradle of marine life. Here, sunlight pierces the turquoise water, dancing on the backs of vibrant coral reefs. These aren't just rocks, they're bustling cities home to millions. Imagine intricate structures in every color of the rainbow, built by tiny animals over thousands of years. Darting through these coral skyscrapers are fish that look like they've been painted by a master artist. The mandarin fish, for example, with its psychedelic swirls of orange, blue, and green, doesn't swim, it flutters like a hummingbird. Nearby, a school of parrotfish, with beaks strong enough to munch on coral, creates fine white sand with every bite, literally shaping the paradise beaches we love. This sun-drenched world is a symphony of life, a constant, dazzling ballet of survival and beauty. But as we descend, the light begins to fade, and the familiar world gives way to the twilight zone. This is where the real magic, the truly strange and wonderful, begins to unfold. Down here, the pressure is immense, and sunlight is a distant memory. Life has adapted in the most ingenious ways. Meet the bioluminescent creatures, the living lanterns of the deep. The flashlight fish, for instance, has a pouch under its eye filled with glowing bacteria, which it can flash on and off to communicate, find prey, or startle predators. It's like Morse code in the dark abyss. Then there are the masters of disguise. The mimic octopus is a true shapeshifter, a legend of the deep. It doesn't just change color. It changes its shape and behavior to impersonate other, more dangerous animals. It can flatten itself to look like a flounder, trail its arms to mimic a venomous sea snake, or bunch up to resemble a toxic lionfish. It's a level of intelligence and adaptation that is simply mind-boggling. This isn't just camouflage. It's a strategic performance on the dark stage of the ocean floor. Let's go deeper still, into the midnight zone, a world of absolute blackness and crushing pressure. You'd think nothing could survive here, but you'd be wrong. This is the realm of giants and ghosts. The giant squid, a creature of myth and legend, roams these inky waters, growing up to 43 feet long, with eyes the size of dinner plates. It's a true sea monster. For centuries, sailors told tales of these behemoths, and science only recently confirmed their existence, capturing the first live footage in its natural habitat. Imagine the sheer awe of witnessing such a colossal, mysterious being emerge from the darkness. And it's not just about size. Creatures here are designed for a life without light. Anglerfish is a classic example of this surreal environment. It dangles a luminous, fleshy lure from its forehead, a tiny beacon in the oppressive dark. Unsuspecting fish, drawn to the light, swim right into the anglerfish's gaping jaws, filled with needle-sharp, translucent teeth. It's a hauntingly brilliant survival strategy, a perfect blend of horror and fascination. But the deep sea holds more than just predators, or delicate ethereal beings that drift through the abyss like spirits. Siphonophores, for example, look like single creatures, sometimes stretching over 100 feet long, making them some of the longest animals on Earth. But they are actually massive colonies of tiny, specialized individuals all working together. Some parts are for floating, some for catching food, and others for reproduction. It's a superorganism, a floating, glowing city of cooperation in the loneliest place on the planet. Another ghostly resident is the Dumbo octopus. Named for its large, ear-like fins that flap to propel it through the water, it looks like a character straight out of a Disney movie. It hovers gently above the seafloor, a charming and completely unexpected sight in such a harsh environment. It reminds us that even in the most extreme places, life can be gentle and even cute. Now, let's journey to the very bottom, to the abyssal plains and hydrothermal vents. Here on the seafloor, cracks in the Earth's crust spew out superheated, mineral-rich water. It's a toxic, high-pressure environment that should be lifeless. Instead, we find thriving ecosystems that defy everything we thought we knew about biology. Life here doesn't rely on sunlight. It relies on chemosynthesis, a process where bacteria convert the harsh chemicals from the vents into energy. These bacteria form the base of a completely alien food chain. Giant tube worms, some over 6 feet tall, cluster around these vents. They have no mouth and no stomach. Instead, They have bright red plumes that absorb chemicals from the water, which they pass to symbiotic bacteria living inside their bodies. In return, the bacteria provide all the nutrients the worms need to survive. It's a partnership born in one of the most extreme habitats on Earth. Alongside them, you'll find ghostly white crabs and strange fish, all adapted to this volcanic underwater world. It's like finding an oasis of life on another planet, right here on our own. Our aquatic dreamland isn't just about individual species. It's about the connections, the grand, intricate web of life. The majestic whale shark, the largest fish in the sea, is a gentle giant, filtering plankton as it glides through the open ocean. Its journey is a marathon, covering thousands of miles, connecting different parts of the ocean. Sea turtles, ancient mariners of the sea, navigate across entire oceans using the Earth's magnetic field, returning to the very beaches where they were born to lay their own eggs. Even the very water itself seems alive. At night, in some parts of the world, the ocean puts on a light show called bioluminescent tides. Every movement a crashing wave, a swimming fish, your own hand in the water causes millions of tiny plankton to glow, creating trails of shimmering blue light. It feels like swimming through a galaxy of stars, a truly magical and immersive experience that connects you directly to the pulse of the ocean. This incredible world, this aquatic dreamland, is a testament to the power and creativity of nature. It's a source of wonder, a place of mystery, and a vital part of our planet's health. But it's also fragile. Our actions on land have a profound impact on these deep, hidden realms. Protecting our oceans means protecting this magic, ensuring that future generations can also marvel at the Dumbo octopus, the mimic octopus, and the glowing cities of the deep. The ocean is the last true frontier on Earth. Every dive, every submersible mission reveals new species and new behaviors that we never dreamed were possible. It's a constant reminder that our planet is full of secrets waiting to be discovered. So the next time you look out at the sea, remember that beneath that calm blue surface lies a world of unimaginable wonder, a living, breathing dreamland that is more spectacular than any fantasy. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into the ocean's wonders. If you were as mesmerized as I was, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Let us know in the comments which of these aquatic creatures amazed you the most. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.